Alrighty guys, today we're going to be going over the differences between a Challenger and a Charger. So I got my friend's Challenger ScatPack here, 392 Hemi 6.4, and I got my Charger ScatPack right here. And yeah, we're basically just going to be going over the differences. So if you guys are in the market to buy one of these cars, this will be a good video for you guys. Decide on which car you guys should get. But yeah, let's get going. Between the Challenger and Charger, looks wise, they're going to be different. Charger's going to have more of the modern look, as you can see from the front, whereas the Challenger has the old school muscle car look, you guys can see here. Whereas the Charger is more modernish. Yeah, the front, I mean, the Challenger is much more wider from the front. They both look mean. The Charger is longer than the Challenger. It has a longer wheelbase. The bag, it's gonna be like old school Chargers. It's gonna have that long. Well, both of them have the tail light where it goes all the way across. On the new Challengers, these ones, they've changed it, they've separated it. But yeah, the Charger goes all the way through. Yeah, it's honestly just the shape that's different between the ScatPacks and the SRTs. Yeah, Charger has these air inlets right here, back here. I think the Challenger has that, right? Yeah, Challenger just, yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. They're both ScatPacks, both have same engine, same exhaust. He's got a muffler delete on his. I got a stock exhaust, no muffler delete. But I mean, the same rims. I just have mine blacked out. We got the same Brembo brakes. His are black, mine's are red. Both got 4 pistons up front, 4 piston Brembos, and 2 piston Brembos in the back. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just the shape, pretty much. Kind of have this spoiler is to fit the Challenger, whereas my spoiler is a little bit different on the Charger. But yeah, the front, the hood is kind of different too on the Challengers. It has these 2 hood scoops, whereas the Charger ScatPack comes with 1. But if you go with the SRT or Hellcat, you're gonna get like the one right here, and then you have 2 on the side. Same on the Challenger, Hellcats, and SRTs. I don't know about the SRT, but the Hellcat comes with that. But yeah, the lights are also different. They're round shape, whereas the Challenger or the Charger is different. But yeah, lower grille. I mean, you guys can judge for yourself. I mean, whichever shape you prefer. If you like an old school modern look, I would go with the Challenger. Whereas if you want more modern, I would go with the Charger. But yeah, these colors, mine's is B5 blue. You know the name of your color? Black pearl. Yeah. But yeah, pretty good colors Dodge offers. You guys, as I said, same engines. You got 392 Hemis. So if you get the ScatPack, it's gonna say powered by SRT, because the ScatPack is technically RT, but it's powered by SRT engine. Whereas if you go with the SRT 392, you're just gonna get SRT badges and SRT suspension. But yeah, the ScatPacks are basically, they're rated as a RT spec. But yeah, same engine. He's got a Hellcat intake on his, so that's perfect for the Challenger, because you can get air through this headlight, which is a fake headlight, right? Yeah, he's got a catch can on his. Some other goodies. Everything on mine's stock. I'm trying to get a Hellcat, guys. That's why I'm keeping it stock. I'm about to go over the interior in the cars and explain a little bit of differences between the Charger and the Challenger.
So I'm gonna go over the interior of my ScatPack here. Daily driven. First thing you'll notice is the screen. The screen faces towards the driver. It feels like you're in a cockpit. Look at that. Look at that. Love the dashes. Looking out back, there isn't that much room. It is the bigger one for the muscle cars, but still trying to get the kid back there is a little struggle. Let me show you guys. All right, so this is the only thing that bugs me, is just sliding the front seat and then fitting it in. And once you close it back, you know, there's barely enough room. You know, I got the car before I had the kid, so I didn't plan ahead. But no regrets here. One thing you'll notice is the retro gauges, bigger than normal compared to the Challenger, bringing the old school back to life.
Ready, guys? I'm about to go hop in my Charger, and it's basically go over the same features that my friend went over in this Challenger, and just show you guys how it looks on the Charger. So let's hop in. So right when you hop in, as he was stating before, the cockpit on the Charger is straight. It doesn't you know, curve towards the driver to make you feel like you're in a cockpit. But yeah, I'll show you guys from outside. You can see it's straight. It doesn't curve or anything like the Challenger. And yeah, screen is the same. You got your same buttons and everything. Climate, sport button, super track pack. And then the gauges, the numbers are kind of smaller. Like as he said, in the Challenger, they wanted to bring that old school muscle look back. Yeah, the numbers are just smaller, as you can see. I guess, I don't know, more modern, sporty look. But yeah, it's kind of the passenger side dash, gonna say Charger there. And yeah, they're both 8 speeds. You got your paddle shifters up here. Door. I mean, they're pretty much the same. The door is kind of different, right, on the Challenger. And then the back seat. Wrong door. So that's the main difference. The back seat. You got 4 doors on the Charger, and you only have 2 on the Challenger. Yeah, the space is pretty good. You're getting 500 horsepower basically. You have 4 doors, and if you get the Hellcat, you're having 700 horsepower with 4 doors. So I mean, it's very practical to get the Charger if you have a family. I mean, the Challenger is also big as well. If you put the seat up, there's pretty good space. It's not like the Mustangs and Camaros where there's no space at all. Yeah, you got your climate controls back here as well. Heated seats, USBs, and yeah, there's different options that Dodge gives you when you buy the cars. So this one comes with the suede and the Alcantara leather, whereas his is just cloth seats. But I mean, the bowstring is the same, steering wheel is the same. Yeah, the door layout is kind of different on the Challengers. The door handle is down there, whereas on the Charger is up here. But I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys can judge for yourself, whichever one you like. So one other difference is on the Challenger, they come with a wider space on the rear diffuser for the exhaust. So as you can see, my friend went ahead and swapped it and put quad tips, whereas on the Charger there's only space for just one tip. So if you wanted to do quad tips, you would have to change your rear diffuser, or you would have to cut it. So I mean, that's one good thing on the Challenger versus the Charger, is you can go quad tips if you like, but you don't have to change the rear diffuser or nothing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of comparing the Challenger and Charger. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on if you guys want to see any certain type of video with these 2 cars, just put them down in the comments below. He's also starting up a YouTube channel. Oh my god. Like that. Alright guys, he's also starting up a YouTube channel. You guys can check him out at...
Follow me on YouTube for TZ. I'll have more car related content added on there, so stick around for it.
Go ahead.
Stick around for more car. Well, damn. Hold on. What did I say? Stick around. around for more cars.
Bloopers.
That's fucking impossible. Stick around for more car cussing. Don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels and drop a like.
Check us out on Instagram. Yeah, make sure you guys stick around, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.